Somebody sounds as if they're onto something. So, alright. 2300 there. If you not click like it, please click like. So this live is a live, as it said, me take one AIDS test. You see me? Take one AIDS test. Don't assume because I'm a gesture and behavior, say, when I know the result, then probably this is just my last little moment of happiness before we make the result sink in. You get me? Probably at that. Probably negative too. You see me? We don't know, but we are going to reveal the thing at the end of the thing. But don't look for me, my body gesture and thing and say it negative or whatever. Because me love you, you know me. Jerry stuff, alright. Also, just want to reveal them, man. I want to see if we can get reach to 100. Let's see if we can reach $100 worth of super chat today. So, Marlon, remind the people for me that please send in a super chat and subscribe to the second channel and all these things. Might max out that one here at might max out this at 1 hour. Okay, might max out this at 1 hour. So, bear in mind, I'm going to repost this. So right now, I record the entire thing. So, if you have one channel too, and you need to advertise it somewhere down there, advertise it to me there, please, so people will watch, depending on which part of the video go, they can probably get a few subscribers. And, what I like, you know, yo, Jono, 2 hours, I'm not even can tell if you send them a super chat because you done murder place already with be a super chat. I'm gonna want some more super chat for the video. I wish me get some of them super chat in the video. And I can stroll up, hold on, I can stroll up. So 2 area, the big boss right now for everybody who have watched the video. So 1 super chat, 2 super chat, 3 super chat. Princess Kayla, pick up yourself, and Princess Kayla again. Jaja. So, alright, we'll get them then. Yeah, guys, remember to subscribe to the second channel, share the live, tell the people them to tune in. Like, I can ask them when last then take AIDS tests and all them kind of something. Yeah. Not that paper the lab give. Hold on. What you say? I know this is a paper the lab give. This is not the paper the lab give. You don't see the stamp? Tell me say you don't see the stamp. Tell me say you do not. You see the stamp? Me say if you see the stamp, look on the stamp. If you know an authentic stamp business, look. When I try to call out Laro, like say me a fraud, like the man who rob Petro Jam money. Look! See it there? See it there. Draw Michael, I try to draw me out. You want me reveal the result them earlier than I need to reveal them. But they probably if you reach $100 super chat quick early, we just reveal it. Anytime we reach $100 super chat, we just reveal it. Right now we're there about, let's search by over there. So 5, I can't do math good enough, 25, 35, hold on, I can't count good. Hold on. About, alright, 5, 25, 35, yes, about 35, 36. We reach 36 super chat. We are trying to reach 100. We are trying to reach 100. 100 we are trying to reach. So, yes, 30 people there. Leave a like on the video for me, please, and thanks. Big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, we are doing the whole AIDS test reveal thing. Right now, I sweat because it's a draw down closer to the time. And really and truly, me know the result them with the pan in. All me I go on, know the result with the pan in. To get closer down to reveal time, I feel like my breath I get short, you know. And I sweat like me I get hot. Whew! Jaja. Come on, people. 2 area telling us that when I lame out the supers. Yeah, remember to subscribe, guys. I can't believe I reached 500 and how much? Reach 520 over here on the second channel, 520. And we'll start the channel, January. Sunshine. I really want sunshine super chat me, you know. I really want a super chat. We are wait till we are see if we can get to $100 worth of super chat. I never do that yet. I never make $100 worth of super chat. I want to see if we can do that first and then we, you know, extra yeah, but to the wipe sweat. But if me nervous for sure the result them, because I don't know if when me show the result them, everybody will just disappear off of the live. And then when I go back live, I probably not even get to go live probably after that. When I start seeing me on pink wall, when I hear say policeman who did go viral on suicidal watch, have HIV, AIDS, and I don't know how I go star, I go post up for them thing and now ex-police who did go viral, contract the big A. I don't know how news and all them something there like that, you see me? So it sometimes me have to worry myself, man, nervous. And that's why I want to super chat me too. I want to super chat me so you know we are your friend. Believe you. I believe you. I believe you, Sharon. I believe say we stick around, Sharon. I believe say we stick around. My goodness grace. I'm back. So a long time I stand up and I stand up for 47 minutes. I'm back, man. Boy, if I did say I want a baby girl again, I can't get no baby again. And I can't breed nobody. You see me? If the results positive. If the result positive. If the negative, probably I still can't get no youth because I don't know, I'm eating like no healthy food, so probably my sperm count low and all them kind of something there. And then I not even know if I will catch corona and then it mutates somewhere up in there and then everything mash up. Yeah, we gonna be your friend regardless. A true protect your character. You know, I actually know people who have AIDS. I'm not scan them, I don't like me hug them up same way and all them kind of something like hug them up, good hug up. You see me? I know people have AIDS and I love them. I have love in them for them, you see me? Like I didn't even see the facts of them have the disease. You can't know the result. Tish. Is that Tishanya? I don't want to get the name wrong. Guys, may I tell you? Andre Hunter, some clarity, please. Can I get some clarity, my boss? A little bit of clarity. So, pessimistic or sarcastic? Which one is it? Bam. No, man, so anytime like anxiety take me, like me really worked up, you see me? Feel like I'm not gonna do some boxing. You see me? Worked up and all them kind of something, you see me? Yeah, so I'm full of like some heap of energy and thing. Yeah. Anxiety and all them kind of something. Tell it true. I don't know too. So right now, I'm going to hold it. Father God will see me through. Yeah. Click some likes on the video, guys. Big up on yourself and thanks. You know where I'm going to start though? How me make people members? Because I have this thing. They have this thing where you can actually go live, but only members alone you go live with. How? Would I want to do a WhatsApp group? But you see that WhatsApp group there? Like you can chat in there and look on one and all that kind of stuff there. But the WhatsApp group there would have been for when I go live. I just tell you something I go live and I send you the link. And make the live unlisted. So here what happening now. So I make the live unlisted. So I send the link and we go live, do a thing, I record the live and then post it back later. And we look on the comments there. Because people are going to watch it afterwards and comment. I think that would have kind of fun. And I me a cook. I'm going to say I me a burn up nothing. Because me used to fear burn up things. But yeah. That's too irie. Right now, me have to work out something for you on the second channel and not too irie. We have to go find one way to fit you in at the channel. Find one way to Jordan. Big up yourself, welcome. I want to person them when I watch the live up to and talk. But hold on, no sir, hold on. How too Irish finna be moderator? Hold on, I have to add you as moderator, my boss. A whole heap to do in the time here, my boss. Big up yourself. Let me just say this to people when I watch probably in the post. I watch post, I watch this video afterwards. So food I cook over there, so well I'm gonna cook not really food, not really cook over there. I don't know what's going on over there so still, but we'll soon find out later. Well me I go find out, I don't know really find out. One loud music I play around there so if you not hear that, yo this someone I'm give him some headphone. Oh, and turn it down, look like in here, so I'm turn it down. So that's going over there, so they are up on the live. Two area blessed up the live, you understand me? I put my closer to get that DSLR there. And share the live, please. I don't think I have time for me show it now. I'm show it now, no Joe. Next time, I just show it now, no Joe. Let me count to 10. Let me see if you can count to 10 in order. So, if you guys can in the chat count to 10 in order. So, one person type 1, the next person type 2, the next person type 3, straight to 10. But I have to do it in order, you know. So, if one person type 2 times, I'm sorry. Alright, so Sharon type 1 there. Alright, cool. So now I have to start over again. Because Paul again, I mess you up. So I have to start over again. When you calm down now, when you can't just make one plan. So you can't talk to one, you can't talk to each other and just make one plan, right? That's all. Alright, so Sharon said 1. Let me see if you can't coordinate and work together. So now if I count to 10 in order, G's and P's. So you still a mess you up 1, 3. How you move from 1 to 3? G's and P's. Ah boy. Jaja. Here, me I give you one suggestion for make you work out for now. I know that they don't listen to me. I'm saying that you guys can watch that. 1, 2, 3, 2. My God. You can't talk amongst yourself and say, alright, this a person that hold 1, this a person that hold 2, this a person that hold 3, this a... Let me see how long I got really go on with this. I want to see if I really can do this. If I can't really make this happen. This is funny. This is really, really funny. 1, 4, 2, 5. You don't look nervous, bro. Because me I have fun to do it right now. The whole of this might shatter when I reveal the result then, but me I go and see how if you can actually get this. And if somebody super chat me on $50 right now, I just scrap the whole of this and just reveal the result then. Yeah, we now put your 100, we probably reach 100 with that $50 there still. But somebody super chat $50 right now, we just reveal it and done. You see me? But I want to see if you can actually get this. I want to see if you can get this. This fun. This actually fun. So let me see if you can actually get it. I don't organize and try to do it. Alright. Let me see what really I got. When you can't count to 10 in order and here, I don't want none of cuss no more police. Because if I did be a police there on the live, then do it long time. When I accident, then do it long time. Watch that. 1, 9, 10. Ah, boy. Oh, yeah. The laugh is good. Laugh really good. Thank you. 10, I'm anxious. Jaja. Whew. Me and want Nice try, Sharon. Nice try. Nice try. Nice try. Very nice try. Jardine, why you say that? Why you say it negative, brother? Yeah, I know, we probably have ears, but me just happy say, regardless of whatever disease me have some real genuine internet people out there on the internet. We are gonna accept me regardless. You get me? So but I'm still happy because when you don't tell me so I wanna cut already. Because you can't count to 10 in order, and that's why I come up with this one. That's a low one, Mackenzie. That one below the bed. January, police would have eat the numbers. Jesus, please, those. we can't manage, you know. Ah, boy, and then once again, me an ex-police, so why? Boy, me inherit everything with police, man, do me inherit it too. Because when all message me and ask me if they teach me then style their training school. I say, yo, Jaja. So I give up. I really give up. When I can't count to 10. Alright. I make it easier. When I count to 5 in order. When I must can do that. 5. I cut in a half. I could have said 8. I could have said 7. But I cut it down we are 5. You must can do that. It I record, you know, like everything I record, alright, Sharon, hold one. So you don't have to know say Sharon are number 1. So nobody else not type number 1 when you say Sharon. Because you don't know say that a fair number. So who are whole number 2 now? That's who are whole number 2? I feel like as somebody when I come from Jamaica for whole number 2 because watch I know everybody a star. Nobody now want to take number 2. Cheese and peas, boy. You want to greatest thing. Alright, brave people, Mackenzie take number 2, big up yourself. Don't reveal it yet, Akeem. People, bless up your super chat. Alright, here we go on. A 2 I recite, you know, and I still not count to 5 yet. G's and P's. I don't mess up already. Because the Princess Kayla said 2, say she had 2. And Mackenzie type 2. Zardian type 1 again. Boy, it look like a right 2 I. Like we need to wait for some more super chat. Bless up your life with some super chat there. Something was wrong with you. If something was wrong with you, you wouldn't be skinning your grin. No, here what happening here now. You see super chat them? If me have AIDS, you see super chat them? We can help me pay for antiretroviral medication and then me can live for call it's about 20 more years. And whole heap of people don't live to see my age. So, remember, you know, this is something we are doing for a long time now. We are trying to look on life with one positive eye. You see me? As a matter of fact, take your results them. Take the AIDS test out that. Right now, if I'm telling you some things we are going on with me, you know, who know that say, oh, then how you behave upon your life if then something you are going on in your life? No, I'm trying to look on life with one positive eye, man. I want you. But, yeah, we saw the reveal. I still can't even count to 5. In order. I mean, it's challenging, not true. I still can't count to 5 in order. But if we get it wrong one more time, I raise it up back to 10. So can we start again? Let us start again. Go. Jaja City, Jaja Town, them want to turn it in a dead man town, dead man town, dead man town. Seriously? No, sir. I saw this attack so hard. We never know if I said this attack so hard. One of them message me and tell me about check my phone. Hold on there. Marlon try double cross, you know. Me nah, you see Marlon I try double cross, you know. Marlon just text me, you know. Why, oh boy. True, you know where result be true, me tell him result longer time. I tell me now, say, me must just tell him say it negative and then show him if you make him see it say it actually part out, yeah. positive. Oh yeah, yeah guys, it's positive. It's positive, positive. Not positive. On still honest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. See that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You almost get it. But me tell you now why result already. It's positive. Ah boy. Nearly. I almost get it. Almost get it. Almost get it. I joke, I'm not going to tell you if it's positive or if it's negative. I'm going to show you the paper because I know I'm not going to take my word for it. But you nearly make it enough. So you nearly make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody. Sylvester, mess it up enough when I have to cut Sylvester. Alright. No, you can't count. No, you can't count. Me bad. You're serious? Today are April 1st. That wouldn't make no sense to me do it on April 1st, Paula. Yeah, try water down my thing and it not work. You see me? See Paula. Alright, 1. Marlon, you hear me say? Somebody try that already. That not gonna work. It better somebody just super chat on $50 and make me just reveal the thing and done. Yeah man, just super chat on $50. We just reveal the whole thing and done. Yeah. Because I can't count no. Alright. 1, 5, watch out now, 2, 3, 1. Hold on, tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're ready because tell me when you're ready. Because you're not ready enough, you're not ready. I can't believe this is the funniest thing we ever seen in my life 2000 scared. No sir. My God. Yo, for the boss must personal. See, hold on. Somebody take a number, you know. Paula said she will be number 5. So how am I say my number 5 now? Make up on number. I don't know what I do. What I do? Yeah? What I really I do? My gosh. You know what I'm going to title this one? My subscribers can't count. That may I title it, you know. Anyhow, I get it today, that may I title the video. My subscribers can't count. I'm 2, so Mackenzie says she had 2, number 5, final. Alright. Don't tell me when you're ready, you know. You don't have to tell me when you're ready. It look like you have to do some kind of organizing. Go, make you see what I go. Alright. Boom. Huh? How time right now? Hold on. Alright. 2. You might be dry also. Hold on. 1, 4, 2, 1, 3. Alright, ready? I got it. Make me see what I go. Let me see what I go and do that. Whew. Y'all are amazing, man. Y'all are amazing. Watch out. No, sir. Okay. You just send me some super chat. Guys, send me some super chat. Guys, let me give one little challenge we go. And it's so fun. This is so fun to watch you do this. Why? It's so fun. It's just super chat. Just super chat, guys. Click the super chat. Alright, we can split the $50 between 3 of them. We can split it between 3. So 3 person can super chat $50. We're good. Okay, watch that. 1, 3. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a challenge we go now. What a challenge. And I tell you the day, you know. I tell you the day before. Remember, start, also. My God. Oh. Mm-hmm. Hello, I don't get it because you not count 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't feel like say, and one person can do it. Kayla, come on, man. Me like that challenge I wanna get. Which Martin do it? When I not do nothing. When I really like I make the live and I don't count to 5. My God. I can't believe someone I go make the live done and I cannot count to 5. Right now my head is hot. My head is hurting me. My head is hurting me, man. Whew. Too iron, I can't manage my boss, eh? I can't manage. Right now they make me laugh till my head is hot. Jaja. Jarastafari. Guys, I soon come back. I know some I go run go to the shop then and come back. But honestly, when I get it before I leave, I know I'm go and come back. I know super chat me in the meantime. Sharon is 1, I'm 2, Kayla is 3. Alright. It sounds like I'm gonna answer something. Let me see if I get it. It sounds like I'm gonna answer something. I saw it go, nothing run now, so they can't super chat. I saw it go. Princess Kayla sent some super chat. You might place with some super chat. I think I'm going to want a super chat. I'm going to come if you think about it. Hold on then. I said, but hold on. It look like them I get it now. It look like them I learn to count now. Let me see you guys do it. Marlon, you have 4. Lakeisha, you have 5. Alright, ready? You ready now? Look like I'm answer something. Let me see if you can get it. Let me see if you guys can get it. Understand, ready? Me go on. Me say, alright, boom. Me blur it. 2 I type 6. My gosh. Now what's that? Hold on. A 5 we are counting, you know. How 6? Hold on. Hold on. I don't know what I go on. That's so Father God. Cashley Francis, what I go on? Me I try to get some super chat my boss, and in the meantime me I try to get the people to count from 1 to 5, but not now go on. Alright, I'll see it again. Alright, Sharon there with 1. Got you, Sharon. Alright, 2. What's that? So, how somebody at 2? So, I don't understand. So, yeah. So, how? I don't understand. Dalton James, big up yourself. Me there I try to get some super chat my boss, and I try to get them for count from 1 to 5 and reveal one little AIDS test, but I don't understand what I'm going to do. Me I say count to 5 or to super chat me $50 and me reveal the test. You see me? Yeah.
Oh my goodness, pass for this.
Watch it friends, man. Deal no dog, go answer.
Pass for this, man.
Okay, you're afraid we're gonna take the AIDS test. Zero.
Yeah. Yo. So good boy.
Hold on.
I'm gonna do this, brother.
Hold on.
I'm gonna do this.
No count. You can't count all out. Alright, Sharon say 1. Alright, you can't type 1 more than 1 time. Jeez. I'm tired. You don't want me help, you know? Alright. G's and P's, G's and P's, G's and P's, G's and P's. You don't know. You don't know how I get this. You don't know how I get this. What are the part? What are the part? Well, alright, guys, it's obvious I can't count to 5, so just send a super chat and done. No, no, can't. Look how long. It did the 10 first. You did? Alright. Alright. 1, 4. Seriously? 1, 4. My God. Mackenzie, Mr. say that I try really hard a while ago to organize the thing. So Dalton, we were supposed to count from 1 to 10 in order. So say for example, you type 1, another person is supposed to type 3, so on, go at 10. But then couldn't manage that, so I cut it down to 5, and now they still can't count at 5. So they might do that so I can reveal the test. But me I say, just super chat me. I tell them, say, if you just make up and super chat me $50, and then I just reveal it because I don't count to 5. I don't count to 5 at all. And you can't type one number twice. My head hurt me. Watch out. Oh boy. We cannot manage. We cannot manage. No good. We never know say it so hard. We never know say it so hard, I swear. Alright, 1, 2, 2. Get it wrong again. Get it wrong again. Ah boy. My gosh. I'm not half frustrated. I'm not frustrated, not you. I'm not frustrated, not you. It's all the star. Ah boy. Look, stop thief my number. 1, 4, 2. Yo, this is so fun. This is so fun. This is really fun. This is fun. All my head hurt me. All my head hurt me from the laughing. You know what should have be the fear thing though? Each time I mess up, I send one super chat. Like of whatever value. But each time I mess up, I send one super chat to make it organize some more. Because, alright, 2 area try organize that thing, I know. Gosh. We can't type 3 2 times. My God. When I mess up, that is a super chat. You owe me a super chat, right? That's what you owe me a super chat. It's all about message delay. No, and about no message delay business. Everybody must know say them own a number. It's simple as that, It's simple as that. Each person own a number. So if you don't see the number and I know your number, you know say you're not supposed to type it. You have to just leave it alone. You see me? But I still wanna go on it. Why Serpy ever pass through this alive and see it in laugh and found, in laugh and found. And I cannot type the same number twice. That is not counting. Oh man. I don't know if you remember say Serpies are numbers, guys. So 3 2. So back here on our account now. 3 2. So back here on our account now. Alright. I know, so I know I counting thing but still, but I'm going to do nothing, so I'm going to do. You know amount of super chat no owe me already? Enough super chat no owe me right there, so no. No, don't owe me some super chat, man. Come on, you guys owe me some super chat. Y'all be messing up the number count too much. Ah, boy. Let's have to repeat grade 5, Paula. Why? Mackenzie try organize a group. Everybody, you know what I say? The funniest thing, everybody take a shot at trying to organize counting to 5. Yo, right now, me got dead, Me can't believe 22 people up on the live, see, 22 they can't count to 5 in order. Serious. My God, of His grace. Big up with yourself, yeah, buddy. Big up with yourself. Yes, Dalton, big up yourself. You just pay up your super chat and everybody else mistake. Take charge again. So, Then I ask Maki if he organize the thing again. So Maki, come in, organize up the thing again. I was so I go on. Organize up the thing. So start Sharon and say Sharon for start. I will see what I go on now. Yeah, so we could never mess it up this time. We can't mess it up this time. I swear, we cannot mess it up this time. Cheese and peas, you can't type the same number twice. What is going on here? What is going on? Maybe we know that child. Cheese and peas, alright. Look like they answer something. Alright. Then make it to 2. Alright. Jaja City, Jaja Town. Them one fit on it. Cheese and peas. You guys owe me another super chat. So you don't owe me another super chat. You guys are not counting to 5. And I type one number twice. 1, 4, 1. Man. Big up yourself for that super chat there. Dalton James. Big up yourself. Wanna give up now, not true. Wanna give up. Alright, so it's the Maki are telling you what I go on. That are the best strategy one can use. Well, Maki are going. That's the best strategy one can use. So, let me see what I go on. Let me see what really I go on now. But you don't mess up, you know, so you don't owe me. Maki, Cashley, you don't owe me a super chat because you don't mess up again, so you don't owe me a super chat. Yeah. So, alright, boom. I will see what I go on. Alright. Okay. Alright. Boom. That's not mash up in here, man. How you feel left out the boss? Eh? Hold on. Alright, cool. Yo, it's a great achievement to make it so far, you know. Come guys, this is so easy. Just pay attention to the screen. My gosh. You cannot type the same number twice. You have to start again. That is not. You do not count 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That is not how you count. You don't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. That is not how you count. And a 2 time now no mess up, so no owe me again. Cheese and peas. Like, boy. Man. Y'all. You don't owe me a whole heap of super chat already, you know. You know, so you don't owe me a whole heap of super chat. I'm glad to this a record, you know. I'm glad to this a record because I'm going to post it back. I'm going to post it back, man. I'm going to see if I can nice it up a little more and post it back. Yeah. Doom. Uno still I get it wrong. Bang. Princess Killer. I want to befriend them. Remember the Carla. When I say Carla, how long? What happened to all of your videos, bro? I'm going to update you guys as soon as the live end. I'm going to post one video and that will explain everything my boss. So you get the 100 hour one. King CJ. Send a super chat in general. But then you say you're there. Then you want me some super chat still, you know. CJ, then you want me some super chat, but them they are try count to 5 whole long. And nobody can count to 5 no. See still. I know a Jamaican people them know this, they don't want to pay up their money with them whole long. Alright, but the title, what is that? It is this. And we are trying to count to 10 so I can reveal the results. 2, Cashley, whole 5. Alright, then I organize up again. Guys, what's your number? Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man. Me I name this one, my subscribers can't count. That me I name it. You know I have a number two. I'll tell no one number two. Boss is saying no one number two. You can't give boss a number two. Dash or that. Dash away that. Boss does not want number two. So I start out to myself, eh? Yes, brother. One of the greatest thing in the world. Alright, the medicine is not time. Check out this so. Go there, upload that over here so over on this. Kid, don't start, please. Kid, them kind of frustrated, you know. You have to see with them, they kind of frustrated. A long time then they are trying to get the counting scheme and they can't get it, you know. And they hold more whole heap of super chat, you know. And I must say, I want somebody pay them super chat on Dalton James. And they still make a whole heap of mistake because, boy, I tell you. But, let me see what them I do. Let me see them I do. Let me see them I do, see if you can get it. 3, 1, 2, 2, why? 3, 3. My gosh. No, sir. No, sir. Me can't believe this. This me cannot believe. Me can't believe this. I can't believe this. 151. When I make me hungry, you know. When I make me hungry. Guys, come on. Send some super chat. Come on. We don't lose too much time for now. Send some super chat. Come on, guys, super chat. And then what I want to know for do, I help you out, I try and make you count to 5. See? Just have one person organize and dish out the number. So I help you, you know. Who is the person that is going to issue the numbers? That are the first thing you have to find out. Who is going to be the person who issues the number first? And then that person tell everybody who I get what number. So start from there. So see me I try helping out now. I try saving us some super chat, but you know, boy. See there, 1 again. I still have to start over. I can't use the same number twice. We do not count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's how we count. We don't count so. King CJ boss already. King CJ was already to be do sir. My God. I know I'm gonna shop and come back because it's like this. It's like I take it until tomorrow. I'm gonna go shop and come back. Whew. Ah boy. There are about $500 super chat you don't want me to go and go on. But it's alright. I'm not too hard and we don't know because we are friends. We all have a friends, so I can't hold me, isn't it? I can't hold me, man. CJ then we block you, you know, because enough moderator there and then so they don't like you bad word them my boss, so you know. So no expletives around here, see me? Yeah. That is a reason why I make them moderators, you know. You know, really like the bad word and things. Do you understand me? So you have to understand my boss. Rastafari. I'm tired down, you know. I'm tired down. It'll not take too long to count to 5. Really and truly, honestly. I don't want to honestly tell me, say. No, look on it really and truly. Honestly, I don't want to tell me, say. On a big man level. You know, big up yourself, Mr. Lawful. So Lawful just come pay a whole lot of mistake there a while ago, you know. Lawful just drop in and pay for a whole lot of mistake a while ago. So, you already know? Big up yourself, you know, Lawful. Thank you for your super chat, my boss. Bless up yourself, manners and respect. So you just take everybody thing and pay it over. So come. And start again. Start again. they want tie up Cashley finger them I know. My God, I was serious. Come to think about it, yo. I can't put chicken same way that. No, man. Something.
Yeah, sorry.
So what can go with the academic for him on a virus or something? Let me go do you know. So happy, yeah. Okay, listen, we start after 3. Text pad freezing. Kid, one person can't do everything. One person can't type a line over them. So yeah. You messed up this too. No, sir. I said this a challenge hard. No, sir. This a challenge tough, sir. This a challenge tough, sir. Jaja. Watch ya now. Watch ya now. Watch ya now. 1-1. Watch ya now. Boy. Be things them a go on with the live. Father, I tell you, why you laugh good. I tell you God truth, you laugh. You're really good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you guys so very much. It is very much appreciated. Trust me, appreciated. I like it. I appreciate it. Thank you. And that me and name the live. My subscribers cannot count. I mean like how someone already in here say it. My subscribers cannot count. 2 I just super chat with $50. So you know what's the boss give you. So see that. See that. See it here. See it here. Claro tú que estés. See there. See it there. See it there. See it there. No see it now. No good. No good. See it there. That is the most super chat I've ever received from being on YouTube. Big up yourself too, Irie. Big up yourself. Manners and respect. Thanks to the support. Thank everybody for the support. Thank everybody for dropping on the live. Wanna tell me so I wanna have fun? Have fun another one. I know some people would debate between this live and the live. I want to hear the whole heap of action run on that side there. I know it's a whole heap of people. What if it's any? I don't know what that was. I don't know. I might debate between that live and that one. But I enjoy that one still. Go Paul, you never know nothing. You never know nothing. No, never know nothing. Only did unsure. Only did unsure. Big up yourself. We're neat, laughful, sending one next 50. Big up yourself, my boss. Live hot. Irie, too Irie. Boy, right now. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself, but as I respect. I know people ask about the video them. Second channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the second channel. Definitely make sure you subscribe to the second channel. Who catch on the next live, fam? Definitely. Big up yourself and thank you. See it there again, man. Negative. But I don't like say me I have sex. Me not have sex, so I forget AIDS from. I don't have sex. Isn't me? I tell you for a long time, so I abstain and something there. Not that like me not have sex, so I don't know which part I forget AIDS from. The closest me ever come to forget AIDS at the time when a woman can probably try to get me for who the man will have AIDS where they do same or infect other people. Dada. Alright, Papa. Bless up on yourself again. It's a laughful. Too Irie, everybody, King CJ, Kid, everybody were tuning into the live. Thank you. No. Me get a nice laugh. It's a nice laugh this evening. Thank you. No. Thank you very much. I cut out you know. I don't want to stay a little longer upon the live. Tell me now if you know because people are gonna match works and all. A little longer upon the live, yes. Yeah, I have a PayPal. Let me send you my PayPal link. Hold on there. Let me send my PayPal link for all the people who wants to bless my PayPal account. You can do so. So how it go again? Yeah, but me still send a link for anybody who want to bless me through my PayPal link and bless me through my PayPal CMO. You see me? Can put down the money off a pay towards the camera. You see me? Yeah. Yeah. Pay towards my camera. And guys, definitely, yo, look how fast we reach 521 subscribers on a second channel. Like me still find it unbelievable what kind of way. Like it take me about 1 year to reach the threshold, or half a year I think. So the recording is up to 50 minutes now. So yeah, 52 minutes. So go try post back this live. So guys, bless up on yourself. Thanks for tuning. Lawful. I'll pay a ton place and there may I big up Princess Kayla. Everybody. Oh, the second link, Lawful, it there in the chat. The blue thing where you see? The blue thing where you see on the thing? The blue link where you click on it? That's the link. So you can carry it to the second channel. So, bless up on yourself, people. I'll cut out now. Let's see if I can cook some dinner in the evening. And I want to know something. I want to know someone here. So I tell them, so I cut it. You see me? So, yeah. I don't know, some fire emoji or some thumbs up emoji or some wave emoji. Just want like a signal so when I get the message, so I tell them, I say, oh, I drop out of the live, you know. Big on up. Thanks for tuning, all of them good something there. Expect one next audio upload from me like later. I explain some things to them. So yeah. Good. Malik did there too. Big up yourself, my boss. Bless up. Although I'm not gonna count to 5, I'm still sure. So see there. Laura is not having any sex, so I cannot get AIDS, people. I have to have sex. Unprotected sex too. So and nobody now really have sex with me because I'm ugly and all them something there already. So probably some people didn't know the result already still because yeah. Ugly youth and them kind of something no one have sex with us. So yeah. Big up on yourself and later guys. Bless up on yourself, Lara. Stay safe, wear no mask, hand sanitize and all the things. So little more.